I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true. I saw the whole thing. Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Pooh.
Oh, Googly Bear.
I was when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Made it great.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 Safe area. In position. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. This is the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
There's your door.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.